Friday, May 20th, 2022, Memphis Light, Gas and Water hosted a crisis management workshop with Shelby County Emergency Management and Homeland Security Office. Crisis management expert Howard Wu spoke with MLGW, Memphis Fire, and Shelby County Homeland Security employees about the challenges cyber warfare can pose to local utilities and emergency responders. The training is an example of how MLGW employees collaborate with local agencies and municipalities and remain vigilant to ensure the division is prepared to respond in the event of a crisis.